Welcome to my channel. Cox router blinking orange. 1. Power cycle the Cox modem router. You can power cycle your router manually by unplugging it from the power connection and then giving it a minute to cool down. Plug the router back in, let it start up, and it will soon have a stable internet connection. 2. Check for scheduled maintenance or ongoing internet outage. Internet outages may occur when providers upgrade their systems or during maintenance. If your Cox router has a blinking orange light, it could be due to network issues. 3. Inspect wall jack and cables. If the wall jack has some moisture or the cables are faulty or loose, then your router or modem may not detect the internet connection, which is why it is showing a blinking orange light. Four. Check the device for overheating. Putting your router in a location that does not have proper ventilation, such as the corner of the house, can make it overheat, leading to a loss of internet connection. 5. Update the firmware. Is your Cox router still blinking orange? Maybe there is an update that you need to do, as it could be operating on an outdated version of the firmware. 6. Test the wired connection. You can also try a wired connection where you use an Ethernet cable to connect your router directly to the laptop or desktop and check whether it is accessing the internet. 7. Reset the Cox modem router. To reset your router, find the reset button on the back or front side of the device. 8. Get a new Cox modem router. If the blinking orange light does not stop after the Cox technician tries to fix the problem, it may be time to buy a new router, modem, or gateway device. Thank you for watching.